Stanford's Modern Construction Program, launched in collaboration with the Project Production Institute, is a professional education initiative that bridges cutting-edge research with real-world industry applications. Through in-person workshops, online learning, and hands-on experiences, participants explore how operations science can optimize project production systems from design through construction.
In the Modern Construction Program, we teach professionals modern methods of managing the production on our projects. A student will learn how to set the right targets, how to set up these processes, how to test them, how to validate them, how to communicate them, and how to improve them.
Construction industry has a huge challenge. There's constant increase in demand to deliver the project cheaper and faster. At the same time, a lot of the skilled workforce are starting to actually retire. We need to figure out how we're going to meet our demand. What the participants will learn is the ability to map, model, simulate, optimize a production system and devise ways to control that production system so that it behaves the way they intended to behave, so that it meets the intended schedule and cost objectives.
The Modern Construction Program is a complete framework that teaches the technical part and also the soft skills. How you analyze a problem, optimize it, deliver value to the client, but also how to sell that value to the client.
One of the things that we do as part of this program is have something called a monthly check-in. During that phase, the participants report out on the progress that they have made.
The program is true collaboration between Stanford and the leaders of the Project Production Institute. Students in the program will benefit from the combined experiences of the instructors who are engaged in these endeavors on the academic side and in industry.
This program brings that injection of innovation and trying to accelerate the innovation curve in the global engineering and construction industry. Learning new concepts, learning science, like operations science, for instance, which dictates how production systems behave.
Personally, I loved the interaction between the professors and the participants in the course.
I really see three main benefits of the program. First of all, you will be totally up to date with the most modern methods of managing production, including digital methods, automation, industrialization. Second, you will gain a network of professionals that are also innovation-minded and pushing the envelope in terms of how well they manage the production of projects. And finally, you will walk away with a framework, a new foundation that will enable you to continue to innovate that makes most sense for you and your projects.
Stanford's experience is amazing.
I love the methodology of Stanford. I found in Stanford the best option around the world.
I am convinced that these new methodologies can change the construction industry.
Modern Construction Program is helping us to see things that we could not see before.
Thank you to this program, I will be able to open a new business line in my life.
I encourage you to enroll in the program if any of these points resonate with you. If you see opportunities for improvement, but need to find a way of really showing them and building a coalition in your organization to make those improvements happen, I believe the Modern Construction Program is the right place for you.